Hello everyone, my name is Nimit here, and I have two special people over here from the cloud analogy team. Right, they have had tremendous success when they were in Dubai for probably 15 days.
Yes.
Right, so let me welcome Mr. Arun Nair. He's one of the VP sales in cloud analogy, driving the sales across in region, especially in UAE. I'll come back to you. And then we have Mr. Prince Amzad Khan, who is the VP product engineering. Amazing product, we'll talk that later. So now there's something very excitement and every people wants to know, especially in the community as well, that you were traveling across from India to UAE with keeping the mindset of Agentforce World Tour Dubai, right? And obviously a lot of excitement, what would be happening. We just want to know the journey from you. I mean, if you can help, what was the excitement? Have you seen many people in airport? I mean, traveling, or you met anyone when you reached hotel? Were there any people who were sharing room with you, and who all were there with you?
Sure. So, first of all, thank you, Nimit, for inviting us. It's a pleasure to represent Cloud Analogy in Dubai. And coincidentally, it happened that there was one more event before the Agentforce World Tour, which is Make It in Emirates. We got an opportunity to attend that as well in Abu Dhabi. So we were 1 week in Abu Dhabi and 1 week in Dubai. Met few of our customers in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. And while we were at the airport, we met a couple of Salesforce Trailblazers as well, and who were traveling specifically for Agentforce. And we got an opportunity also to visit Salesforce office in UAE, attend a Slack session which was conducted by Salesforce as well. And fantastic experience. Were able to connect with some of the leaders of Salesforce in the Middle East, and it was a good experience, and would like to thank Ajay and the entire Cloud Technology team for allowing us to represent in Dubai.
So, Amzad sir, I just want to know, when you were in Agentforce World to Dubai, so whom did you meet over there? Were you expecting someone, or what was exactly the thing, the concept, the theme, and where exactly it was?
Okay, thank you very much, Nimit, for giving me this opportunity to speak here. So I was, along with Arun, was there in Agentforce World Tour. We have reached there in the morning around 8:30, and we started exploring the event area. What we got to know for Agentforce World Tour Dubai from Slack event, that it is somewhere near to Dreamforce, which is going to happen this year. It was just a glimpse of that, and whatever we got to know, it was 100% correct. The entire event was a glimpse of Dreamforce that we are going to have later this year. And it started with the keynote. We sat over there and we have attended lots of good sessions, as well as we met a couple of good partners whose booth was there. Somewhere around 43 partners were there, and they were a couple of good sponsors, and we met almost everyone, and all were very sweet and very smart people. We have gathered together. We have got a good discussion over there for the business, for the technology, for product, for solution, and everything. And believe me, everyone was very supportive. Very supportive means very supportive. And then how the entire day gone, it was like just vapor. It has gone the entire day. Even on at the lunch table, we met couple of good people. We were eating food, and people were there, and they invited us on their table, and we stand over there. We had a good discussion over there. One thing I would like to tell you, that our connects are so much there that people came and start in the second half. I didn't got a chance to go into the session because there were lots of people came at me to Arun, and we started having a good discussion with them.
Oh, very nice, very amazing. So this event was in Jumeirah, right?
Yeah, it was in Jumeirah. Yeah.
Okay. How far it was from your
very
hotel?
Near. It's 20 minutes
Oh wow,
from
20 minutes.
from our hotel.
Okay. Okay. My next question is, though it is related to your title only, about the products basically. So I just want to know, when you were, when you were engaging with many people, your networks, everyone. So I hope you would not be far behind in explaining the products.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So you have many products, and even Arun is also working on those products as well, right? And just want to know, when you were explaining those products, how people were very interested in listening it. And the next is, were there any challenges they are facing that you can pitch in your product? When Arun also was there, I will come back to you, Arun, when you would pitch in that particular product and how you were pitching it and what industry it was. I just want to know. And were they giving more some points, some errors? No, this product should be like this. You should add on this product, some add-ons. So can you explain me that?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Nimit. So, okay, one thing I would like to tell you, that it was only one day, and people were not having time to discuss in detail everything. But yes, they really liked the kind of product that Cloudonology developed for Salesforce on App Exchange. And people asked a couple of good questions that we have answered, and we have tried to bring them over the virtual call, and we will discuss that. So that was last week's story. This week onwards, we are going to have a good discussion with them on virtual calls, and we are going to explain them about Cloudonology's services, product, solutions, and everything. But there, because that very less time, and lots of events were going on, so and gathering was huge, so we have got no time. And also at 5 o'clock sharp, 5 o'clock dot 5 o'clock, the event got ended, and then we have attended the partner summit program there, and it was really amazing, and our eyes were really open, and we have planned for next year that we are going to be there as a partner summit over there.
Wow, fantastic. So, Arun, when you were into discussions with people in Agentforce World Tour, कुछ तो बातें चल रही होंगी regarding about your products and solutions. So, was there any industry-specific challenges they were coming across? और ऐसा क्या था pain area that you could analyze, and you could just, hey guys, I have the solution for you, take it. This will help you out, to solve your problem. If you can throw some highlights on this.
Sure. So Salesforce covered almost more than 50 plus sessions, including multiple industry sessions as well. One of the most of the customers that I met was on the manufacturing and the real estate domain, and like in India, the real estate domain, the government specifically regulations and everything, right, with the RERA and all the numbers. So in UAE also there are 7 Emirates, and there are the policies and everything are quite different, right? So there are industry nuances, and any CRM, specifically Salesforce has to specifically get customized according to that particular industry and that and specifically that particular emirate, right? Customization is required. So one of the challenges that I see is industry knowledge. There is strong need for industry experts, specifically in UAE. That's required. Salesforce technical knowledge is huge. There is a huge Salesforce community, but however, what's lacking is the industry knowledge. So good quality industry leaders, maybe in real estate domain, in manufacturing, automobile, right? So that's one of the major point that I feel that is something that we should work on.
Okay.
Secondly, products and solutions of ours, right? It's compatible across multiple industries, right? So the product that we have, MC Utility, files to folder that we have on App Exchange, right? It solves various problems for our clients, irrespective of the region. So we've positioned our products for various industries, and there are specifically use cases. And one of the third challenges that I specifically see is user adoption. So any software that is being sold, right, user adoption plays a very vital role. So Salesforce contracts will not be renewed until unless the user adoption. So there is a huge play for Salesforce community leaders and the Salesforce developers and the entire community to ensure that the any projects that you're deploying, right, ensure that the clients, the users start using Salesforce. So that's one of the major challenge I feel is there in the region.
So I just want to know one thing, because you said user adoption. So when you were in Dubai, so you might be connecting with many people, industry leaders as well. They might be using certain CRMs, right, or ERPs basically. Where do you think now, at what level the Salesforce adoption would be? Is it right now in very good adoption mode?
Absolutely. Salesforce has some of the fantastic logos already in Middle East, and there are many industry leaders in UAE who are supporting Salesforce as well. And however, as I said, right, there is always scope for improvement, right? And there are also a lot of local players in certain industry, right, who have their industry knowledge. So beating them and showcasing our specifically expertise is going to be our goal to ensure that the Salesforce also are able to sell more licenses in UAE, and so that we as a partners make services revenue and solution product revenue as well.
Amazing. So now, where do you think, when we are talking about the Agentforce World Tour Dubai, so obviously I would not miss Agentforce. That is a love and bread and butter for us, and for the Salesforce as well now. So where do you think now, was there any discussion happened again, Agentic AI or something related to data cloud? What exactly it is? How UAE is more concerned towards the Data Privacy Act, the DPA, or whether they are like open towards?
I'm not sure if you know. So ChatGPT is free in UAE.
Yeah.
So from that itself, you get to know how the government is supporting AI, right? So any government who is specifically supporting in such a huge way, it's a good for solution product from companies like Salesforce, right?
Yeah.
So, and Agentforce was all about Agentic AI. You pick the 50 sessions, as I said. All the demos that were led by the solution engineering team of Salesforce were all starting from Agentforce itself. The story always started from Agentforce. So,
Got it.
And it's going to be AI, and Agentforce is going to be the next big thing in
Got it.
all the regions. Definitely.
Got it. Amazing. So, guys, everyone, I believe all the communities and all the people over across. So this is what Arun has shared. So while in your journey, you might have met many people across, the leaders, the community leaders as well,
Yes.
the CGLs, and other industry leaders as well. So, I mean, can you tell those names whom you met on Salesforce, especially Salesforce, when you went to Salesforce office? It's something building at 4, is that?
Yes.
I seen that picture, building at 4. It's amazing, guys.
Dubai
Yeah.
Internet City. Yeah.
Dubai Internet City. I just want to have something, if you can explore a little bit more upon that, whom you meet.
Yeah. So we met. So first of all, huge thanks to the Salesforce team as well to host such a huge event at Madinat Jumeirah. It's not easy, and most of the Salesforce team were thanking Esther Lucina. She is the primary partner channels
Okay.
as well, and Mukesh and Matthew Lambert. So these are the key people from the partner team who were driving the complete event. A fantastic hosting work done by Matthew Lambert, very highly energetic, enthusiastic person.
And the community group leaders that you went to.
So we met Mr. Misbah, who is the community leader. We met Slack community leader as well, and also we met a couple of other community leaders. There are many women in tech.
Yeah.
So women in tech is specifically a huge thing. I know it's in India as well, but also in UAE, keeping the regional nuances in mind, there are a lot of women community leaders who are coming up and especially doing such a fantastic job in the Salesforce ecosystem as well. So they were also felicitated at the Agentforce event as well. Apart from that, as I said, I met a couple of customers. My job is to be in front of customers. So I met a couple of customers, understood their pain points on Salesforce, and understood primarily how we can specifically collaborate.
And how interested they were listening to your solutions, or I mean, when you know that you have very good solutions as well.
Yeah, so the thing is, at the event you cannot show the solution.
Yeah.
So you barely have few minutes to interact. So it's about specifically connecting with that person with a for 5 to 10 minutes, and then specifically exchanging cards, exchanging stories, and then about our customer stories, about their understanding, right? And then taking that relationship forward. So that's what we did. That was majorly my role, to build relationships, take those relationships forward, and hopefully specifically to generate more revenue as well.
Amazing. So my next question would be for you, Amzad sir. I mean, obviously, like I would not talk too much on the product because it was not because you are a master in that, right? And you said it. Arun also mentioned, and you also mentioned that it was really less time, one day, how we could show all the thing. But yeah, discussion happened. I'm really happy that thing. I'll be very. People are very interested in, like, the language barriers. Was there anything, or was something, it's only like Indian people that you have seen, or across the world people are coming? Community, I'm talking the community. Where exactly people was basically, and the language barrier, did you face anything? Or is it difficult in, talking to them or listening to them?
Not at all. Not
okay.
at all. Reason being is, in UAE, people are very easy to talk in whatever language you talk. If you are talking in Hindi, most of the people, even the Arabic people, that Emiratis, they learn little Hindi. Even we have not learned anything in Arabic, but they learn Hindi, and they try to speak in the language which we understood, maybe English, Hindi, and they are making the other people comfortable in their country. So that's a very, very big thing. And based on that, we started thinking that let's start learning little bit Arabic in order to make them comfortable also. Because if they are making us comfortable, we should make them comfortable.
Yeah, that's true.
In that too, right? So English is very common language, which is understood by everyone, which can be talkative, which can be, everybody can speak English in a very nice manner. But again, if they see that I am an brown Indian, so he try to speak in Hindi, and if they try to mix Arabic and Hindi, and they try to make okay.
Sir, have you learned certain Arabic word? Because you were there for 50 days.
Yes, shukran, mashallah, inshallah, all those. So yes.
So these are very positive words.
Yeah. I mean, if everybody is greeting you, even at the hotel reception, or even at the door of the event, the guards were standing. They are greeting you like anything. Like we greet namaskar, they greet salam alaikum. So if you are returning back with saying walaikum salam, they really happy that this person knows Arabic, right?
Got it.
So these are small things that we have learned over there since beginning, because we have spent 15 days over there. Even we have gone and met with couple of good customers.
Okay.
They also greeted us like this, and we had a good lunch together. We have spent good time with them, and try to understand how much easy incorporate ourselves over there. So they said that it's very easy because they are very welcoming. They are welcoming everyone, especially from the people of India. They are really very, very supportive.
Amazing. Nice. So no language. It's Dubai is our home, and everyone's home. So Dubai is one of the favorite and heart. Right. Thank you so much. Talking about the food, right? You mentioned that आप lunch पे गए. It's very easy to incorporate with them, right? So I just want to know कि lunch में क्या special है? दुबई का क्या special है? Because हम South जाते हैं, we have idli, dosa, sambar. We go to Mumbai, so we have special vada pav, right? Ghati masala and mix masala. But how, like, Dubai is something you would find mixed, like masalas, like Indian spices, or something like Gujarati meetha, or what exactly it is like?
Okay. Food wise, UAE, the entire UAE food wise, they are really very, very fantastic. Of course, spices of India are at a very different level throughout the globe. So you can find spices over there. The masalas of India, you can find over there.
Okay.
So whatever meal that we had over there in last 15 days, whether I'm talking about breakfast or lunch or dinner, all were really fantastic. We have tried non-veg, we have tried veg, we have tried Gujarati thali, we have tried Rajasthani thali.
Oh, mix.
So yeah, mix. We have tried lots of Indian food, even aloo matar ki sabzi and roti. We also
Okay.
ate over there, and very, very nice. I mean, taste wise, yeah, taste wise, it is fantastic, and the very, very less masala, very less salt, and very less sugar. They do not like sugar. Even in their chocolate, you will find dates over there.
Yeah, I got some
yeah,
chocolates over
yeah,
here from
yeah,
people,
yeah.
and one chocolate was enough, like
Enough,
full of
yeah,
dates and
yeah.
pista and all, right?
Even we have gone over the event, every here and there. They put those chocolates, and chocolate was full of dates, khujur, along with dry fruits, and very less
So,
chocolate
have you
portion.
seen Kajur ka ped?
Yes, of course. We
Okay.
have we have taken the pictures also.
Oh, so it was like far away from the place that
Yes,
you were
yes,
living,
yes,
right?
yes, of course. Yes.
So, where exactly you were living?
First week, like first 7 days, we were in Abu Dhabi, and next 7 days we were there in Dubai, heart of Dubai,
Okay.
near Burj Khalifa.
Arey wah, Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
There's a lot of famous songs. No, amazing. You could see Burj Khalifa. And have you visited Burj Khalifa inside?
Yes, we although we were not having time, so one day in the night, right, like around 9 o'clock, we have decided to go to visit there. So we have, yeah, on Saturday, and we have visited there. We had a food outside Burj Khalifa, of course, because it was really very expensive.
So, but as you have, you have did your amazing journey in Dubai, and you have attended Agentforce World Tour, right? Was there? Are we expecting? Because this is an answer. It's a question from the community, right? Because in India, obviously, there were Agentforce World Tour Dubai, Mumbai. It happened, so we could see sports leaders, inspiring leaders like Sana Mirza was there in Mumbai. You were also there, right? And Arundhati ma'am was also there. And at the end, there was some, Shan was there as a pop singer. So in Dubai, were you expecting, or what had happened? Was there any band? Can you throw some highlights on that?
Yeah, so the World Tour started with a performance, a hip hop performance by a group of
Okay.
dancers. I don't remember the name, but apart from that, none of the celebrities. I did not see any celebrity
Okay.
because the thing is, the Agentforce World Tour in Dubai was more focused towards partner awards, definitely,
Okay.
and also the sessions, right? So they created that complete event in such a way that celebrity was not required also, to be honest, I feel.
Because
it was-
mostly we have seen.
Yeah, I know, I understand, but I feel it was fantastically organized and very informative event with a lot of use cases, and didn't find any celebrities, to be honest.
Great,
Yeah.
great. So now, I believe your journey was good. We heard a lot of things from you in terms of the industry-wise, and in terms of the challenges and the solutions that you have offered, right? So I believe now you're in the process of connecting with them
Yep.
on Google Meets and chats and all, and looking forward, inshallah, the price makes a good result, right? And we as a Cloud Analogy, as a proud summit partner, and we will look forward for big wonders in Dubai.
No, absolutely. So the idea is to we were not fortunate to be part of the award events. My goal is to specifically have Cloud Analogy.
Next time you will. Next time definitely.
Next, at least after a couple of events, a couple
Yeah.
of implementations, right? So we should win a award.
Definitely.
In Dubai. That's
And
definitely.
obviously you deserve.